Hello everyone, this is your weather on to fly outlook and discussion for Wednesday, July 9, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 4 to 8. Valid for Saturday, July 12 through Wednesday, July 16, 2025. The overall large-scale pattern looks to remain characterized by mid to upper-level ridging across the western United States with a zonal to broadly cyclonic flow across the northern tier of the U.S. through the forecast period. At the same time, rich and moist low-level moisture looks to remain entrenched across much of the eastern U.S., sustained in part by broad, southerly flow, albeit with some fluctuations in raw values. Global models continue to be bullish on a seasonably strong cold front pushing south through much of the central U.S. late in the forecast period, ushering in a cooler and drier air mass. Strong to locally severe thunderstorms will be possible somewhere across the eastern U.S. every day of the forecast period. However, with synoptic scale forcing and dynamics primarily constrained to Canada, most thunderstorms will be determined by subsynoptic and mesoscale details dictated by reinforced with each prior day's convection. Thus, confidence is too low in any one location on any given day to introduce unconditional severe probabilities at this time. However, some areas and scenarios of interest to monitor include the southern Great Plains on days Saturday through Sunday, as a moist, weakly capped environment will exist in proximity to an increasing diffuse surface boundary. Other areas include the East Coast most afternoons and along and ahead of seasonably strong cold front pushing south through the Great Plains from Monday through Wednesday. For each of the areas of interest and scenarios of interest above, weak effective layer shear stemming from generally weak tropospheric flow will be a limiting factor for a more organized severe potential and confidence to introduce any delineation areas at this time. Be sure to share, like and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.